welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we will be making the Clocktower. First, you fill up your shaker. Your shaker with ice. And then you do 3 3/4 ounces passion fruit puree, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 3/4 of an ounce of cream of coconut. If you put it in one of those little tablespoon thingamajiggies, it's hard to get out, so I should do it. I do guesstimating. And then you do 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. You make cinnamon syrup by doing 1 to 1 part sugar and water. Then you boil the water with cinnamon sticks, and then you let it sit for a while. Okay, that's cinnamon syrup, 1/2 ounce. Then you do 1/2 ounce of mint syrup. Then you do a dash of nutmeg. It's always better to use fresh nutmeg than ground up nutmeg that you buy at the store. Right. Then you put on the top. Have that part fall off. Then you shake it in circles so everything gets mixed up. Alright, that should be good. Then you grab your cup, fill it with ice. This might take a little bit. This isn't working. Here, you do it. Some people actually know how to do it. Thank you. Thank you for your help. Okay. Now you pour in the drink. Like so. And then you put in the lid, if it has a lid. Then you take a sip. This is the Clocktower, and I'll see you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye!
3, 2, 1/2, 1, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go.
Okay,